How to delete a corrupted folder in Windows 11. Have you ever tried deleting a corrupted folder only to see errors like could not find this item, access is denied, or the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable? These broken files often come from failed installs, updates, or old directories, and they take up valuable storage space you could be using elsewhere. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot and permanently remove corrupted folders and files so you can free up space and keep your system running smoothly. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites before deleting a corrupted folder. There are several ways to remove a corrupted folder. You can use Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell. If that doesn't work, try deleting it in safe mode, running CHKDSK, or fixing access issues by taking ownership of the folder and resetting its permissions. Before you begin, you'll need administrator rights. To confirm, go to Start, Settings, Accounts, and check if administrator appears under your username. Make sure the folder isn't being used by any program or process. Never delete system folders unless you're certain it won't harm your computer. Method 1. Delete folder via Command Prompt, Basic. This method is more aggressive than deleting through File Explorer and skips the recycle bin. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. If the folder path has spaces, put it inside quotes. Method 2. Use PowerShell to force delete the corrupted folder. PowerShell offers more control and error handling than Command Prompt, making it ideal for enterprise or managed environments. Open the Start menu, search for Windows PowerShell, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Type the command below and press Enter. Method 3. Unlock the folder via safe mode. If a third-party app or service is locking the folder, safe mode can help by preventing non-essential applications and services from loading. Go to Start, Settings, System, Recovery, Advanced Startup, Restart Now. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. When the PC restarts, press 4 to boot into safe mode. Delete the folder using File Explorer or PowerShell. Restart your computer to exit safe mode. Method 4. Run CHKDSK to repair file system corruption. If a folder is unreadable due to disk corruption, use CHKDSK to repair logical file system errors. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the command and press Enter. Restart your computer. Try deleting the folder with Command Prompt or PowerShell. You can remove corrupted folders using Command Prompt or PowerShell. If disk errors are the cause, run CHKDSK. For folders locked by apps, try deleting them in safe mode. And if it's a permission issue, take ownership of the folder and reset its permissions. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to delete a corrupted folder in Windows 11, linked in the description below.